came up with the topic called basic calculator 2. Okay, so they have given us a problem in which they have given a string called s. It represents an expression. We have to evaluate this expression and return its value. Okay, you may assume that given expression is always valid. That's good. All intermediate results will be in the range of. Okay, you are not allowed to use any built-in function. Okay, see here, they have given us a string called 3 plus 2 star 2. Okay, and our result is going to be 3 plus 2 star 2. We do this expression first. Why? Because it has multiplication in it, and then add and then the result would be 4, and I'll add it with the remaining number. It would result in 7. This is how an usual calculation work. Okay, what are the important steps here? In case when we see these kind of problem, you want to be sure that the order matters in these kind of problems. Okay, and also we have to follow Bodmer's rule here. What is meant by Bodmer's rule? Let us rewind our school sessions. Division and multiplication are of equal precedence. Addition and subtraction also have same precedence, but we have to do multiplication or division first, then addition or subtraction. Okay, that is our key area to be focused in case of Bodmer's rule. So in order to do the multiplication and division first, I want to delay the addition and subtraction process, right? But I want to maintain order. So I want to store these elements sequentially in any kind of data structure. So for that, can I use array here? Array is quite good, but which would be more suitable for this problem? Evaluating expressions. For these kind of problem, stack would be of more great. Let me tell you why at last. Okay, so see here, I'll traverse the string first. I'm seeing a character called a digit, right? We can use a method like this, character dot is digit of c, in order to identify whether it is a digit or not. I'll first identify if it is a digit or not. In the same way, we want to handle multiple digits. So in order to handle multiple digits, we have to use this particular condition. We want to use the previous number also to the current digit in order to handle multiple digit. Okay, so see here, so here number is equal to 3, and this is what will happen in this particular code. Then I see addition, right? So if I see addition, then it would go to this particular condition, and the sign is equal to plus. It is initiated at first itself. We have initiated the sign is equal to plus. Plus is safe because we are going to store the nearby numbers of plus into the stack, so no problem in initializing sign is equal to plus. So if I have sign is equal to plus, I'm just going to push that particular number into the stack, and then I'm seeing a digit. See here, after validating this condition, I'm going to update the sign with actual character here. So the sign is equal to plus, okay, and num is equal to 0. Why we have updated num is equal to 0? Because we are not handling multiple digit here. It is a separate digit. Hereafter there would be a separate digit, so we are updating num is equal to 0. Okay, then I'm seeing a digit, so I'm updating my num is equal to 2. And then I'm going to see, I have traversed the string and saw star, that is multiplication. And now I haven't updated sign is equal to star. Until now the sign is equal to plus, so I'm just going to push the number. Which number? The previous number, that is 2. I'm going to push 2 into the stack. Okay, and then I will update my sign is equal to star. Okay, then I will see a digit called 2, right? So here the 2 num is updated to 2, and here see, there is one more condition. Here it will satisfy that we have reached the end of the string. So what we are going to do means, we are going to handle the multiplication symbol. So the sign is equal to multiplication means we have to pop an element from the stack and multiply with the current number, which would yield us 4. Okay, and then I'm going to add this particular result into the stack once again. And after this loop ends, we'll just we'll just pop every element from the stack and add it to the result. Because if you see any minus symbol, I'd be updating, I'd be adding into the stack as minus num. I would be multiplying minus with the digit, so no problem in storing an elements that is nearby plus and minus. I'm just going to add the stack with its sign. In case of multiplication and division only, I'm going to pop an element from the stack and do the multiplication right after I see it. That's all. So this question is somewhat complex when compared to the previous stack problems I have seen. So we should revise it properly.